tie knot lovers, Mr. C's How to Tie a Tie. This knot is called the nuclear knot from the shape. So we have the triangle and we have the bits that fold inside. So if you recognise the nuclear symbol, then this is where this knot's coming from. And this is another knot from Linwood at Who Sees This. I shall put a link down below. And if you hadn't already subscribed, there's a little thing here. Click on that one and subscribe and like. And this is what it looks like. So let's take it apart and let's get started. And to start this knot off, we're going to start off with the blade on the right hand side and the tail on the left hand side. The blade's going to go down to where you normally end up wearing it, so just above your belt line. If you want to end up at your belt line when you cinch it up, it will end up at your belt line. So to start this off with, we're going to do the power pinch. So fold it in half and then fold it back on itself, and that will give you your dimple in the middle. We're going to take the tail and we're going to cross it over the top, and we're going to come round and up and through. And this is going to go down to the left hand side. We're going to take it round the back and out to the right, and then we're just going to fold it through that loop that we've just created, and then we're going to take it down the inside and back underneath. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to take this across, and we're just going to fold it up through the other loop. So there we have sort of a lazy man's Trinity knot. So I'm going to cinch that up a little bit, and then I'm going to fold this in half, and I'm going to go to the end, and keeping the folded bit going to go through this knot here. What I want to do is keep section at the top, and then we're going to go down through this loop, and this creates the outer triangle bit of the nuclear sign, and then you just fold it back up again in half, and we're going to come up through that last loop. So you can see it's a fairly quick knot to do, and then that's just going to fold underneath the collar. Oops, I've lost my bit at the bottom. Fold my collar down, and then I can cinch this up a bit. Holding onto the knot. Yep. It definitely suits a slightly wider collar than I've got here. I'm just doing a little bit of adjustment. Hopefully that looks a little bit like the nuclear knot. Probably better in a slightly more yellow tie than I've got. I haven't got one here with me at the minute, so this is the closest I've got. Sort of a goldy coloured one. There we go. And there we have our nuclear knot.